Science Fun. It has been a while since I uploaded new videos because I'm on vacation. So, hello guys, who's interested in space? I'm going to talk about space. It looks like you're very interested. See, I'm talking about space, like how far the sun is from here, but we can't go to the sun. But the moon is easy to go to, you see? And you know who's my favorite scientist when I talk about space? It's Galileo! Why do we talk about Galileo today? He lived 500 years ago. Why? Why? That's because he knows so many things. So first the people taught that the earth is in the middle, but that's not right? The sun is. But because we live on, that's right, we do live on Earth, but that doesn't mean the Earth is in the middle. So the people taught in the morning the sun would only rotate around the Earth. In the night, the stars and the moon would rotate over circle around the moon. But that's not right. Galileo said, no, there's also planets, including there's planets and also the Earth, and the Earth is not in the middle. The sun is in the middle. So all the planets, Earth and Moon go around the sun. First people taught before Galileo was, when Galileo was a kid, everyone taught that the Earth was in the middle. Even Galileo taught that because he never looked in a telescope when he was a kid, because kids can't look in telescopes when they're kids. But still, he was really interested in math, and math is like interested. So he was interested in space and math. So when he grew up, he turned to make his own telescope. It's really cool, right? Because no one ever made a telescope that time. You know, this is how his telescope looks like. So, you know what? When Galileo looked in his telescope, he could see things like he was in a dream. It was so cool. And no one ever looked in a telescope before, you know? But if you believe something, in that time, if you believe something that the church doesn't believe, and you tell him, then the church will put you in jail. So Galileo got in jail for telling the church. You know what Galileo saw in the telescope? He saw the stars. He saw planets too. You know, first he was studying on each kind of planet. He studied on Jupiter, Mars, Uranus, Saturn, and he also named the planets. And Venus is not always a circle in a shadow. It goes like this. First, you don't see it, and then it's a banana shape, and then it comes into full. That's how it goes. Like every speech when it rotates around the sun. And you know who saw that from the telescope? That was Galileo. Galileo was the first one to notice Jupiter's moons in a telescope. See, and he's taught, what are those things moving around Jupiter? Those were Jupiter's moons, but they're not the moon like the moon we landed. It's like a moon that rotates. That's the family of our planets. And you know why is Galileo genius now? Bye, I'll see you next time in a new video. Bye, and remember my name is Sana. Bye.